Before we jump into our sandbox and navigate around the PDU console, we need to understand some basic concepts. Let's start by defining what a PDU is. The term refers to a power distribution unit, and its sole definition says it distributes power. What are the benefits of intelligent PDUs? Improvements in data center management, driving simplicity and ease of use from SCC's unified dashboard, resulting in time savings for data center personnel. Intelligent PDUs include features that aid with data center management, such as metering and remote capabilities. Reduce energy consumption. Monitoring power consumption enables organizations to better gauge power utilization. Remotely turn off PDU outlets when not in use to save power. Availability of remote toggle functions that can control individual outlets. Trending of historical energy consumption data to meet ESG guidelines. Intelligent PDUs can monitor energy usage and provide data on where and how energy is consumed. Setting crucial thresholds to cap power load. Setting these trigger alert policies to an alert management subsystem within SCC. All of these benefits and features are built into SCC's unified dashboard. Some PDUs don't necessarily have surge protection. When surges do occur, your systems need to be protected. Do your homework. How do I find out what right PDU is correct for my application? What things may I consider? Dimensions of the PDU are important. PDU modules usually come in 1U and 2U heights and can be mounted vertically in most rack configurations. Horizontal PDUs are also available, which can be constructed for mounting in EIA 310 standard 19-inch equipment. The next thing you need to consider is the kind of power you have. Check with your electrician whether you have single-phase or three-phase power. This will be an important element to your decision on what PDU you wish to deploy. Single-phase power changes from positive to negative at about 60 cycles per second. This is the North American standard. Your household appliances typically use a single-phase power source. Three-phase power often is implemented in commercial and industrial applications. Single-phase power sources have moments of zero voltage offsetting three waves simultaneously. When the zero voltage occurs, the other two phases take on a role of positive and negative points. The next thing to consider is how much power do you need? Where is your power source coming from? Local power from a generator, utility power from a service panel, or backup power from a UPS? Many devices have switching power supplies that can pair to 120 volt or 140 volt, which is the North American standard. If it's an Asia-Europe application, voltage rates could be 200 volt to 230 volt. Number of outlets for each of your appliances and types of plugs also need to be considered as well. Plan well in advance. Don't be surprised on the 11th hour of your deployment. A basic PDU relays electricity from a single power source to multiple devices, thus simplifying rack equipment management. However, advanced PDU modules can do much more than that, with features like protection against downtime, the ability to measure demand, and remote control software. Here are some PDU types and advanced features you may want to consider. Basic PDU, a basic power distribution unit, delivers unfiltered AC power to various connected devices from a generator, UPS, or utility source. Metered PDU. This PDU relays network-grade power and regulates load in amps to avoid overloads and optimize user load levels. Monitored PDU. A monitor conveys network-grade power and helps users avoid downtime from power events like overloads. It features a digital meter display to support local management and remote monitoring via an S&P network interface. Switch PDU. A switch PDU conveys network-grade power, allowing users to individually or collectively control units. A digital meter supports local control through information on a voltage and load, and an S&P Connect offers remote control and monitoring. Switched meter by outlet PDU. This integrates network-grade power distribution features with detailed level of remote and local outlet level control and monitoring. Supermicro offers a rack team that specializes in this area and offers expert rack integration services. Use them. They are the experts. SCC brings in support for the APA 8641 Schneider Electric PDU. In the next video clip, we will get into the mechanics of how it is tightly integrated with SCC's unified dashboard.